a little private little cemetery. Probably that family that lives in that big house. Alright guys, now here's not too bad, but up there, well, we're just gonna take it real easy, guys. Conserve our energies for the end of the day. And so right up here is the Illinois River. Hopefully we're gonna get a pretty good view from the hill here. How about a battery check, guys, after this hill, huh? Maybe somebody should live here in a trailer, because there's a mailbox there with a camera, CCTV. Oh. That is some view, guys. Oh. Smoky stack chimneys. Oh. Here, guys. I'd rather walk this, because look at that, guys. Oh, that's got to be like 72, at least 60% incline. Wow. Yeah, guys, I am fit in a beefy kind of way, but I'm not that fit. Might as well stop for a minute, admire the view, take a rest. Oh, car coming, car coming. Slow down. Yeah, that looks easy. That looked easy for that car. Anyways, guys, we're down to 7%, so we're just gonna let it run down. And I hope it beeps, because 7 minutes should be about the time for us to walk up that hill. Oh. Well, so I take it, guys, if we're at this side of the river, there's going to be some element of a bridge crossing. We're probably going to go down maybe into the valley, however they built this road, riverside. Well, it's not really taking us along the river though. Here, let's clear this hill, and then we can take a closer look at the map. Yeah, guys. There's no one making this hill. Yeah, just all you gotta do is slow down, darling. I need to honk. What else do you want me to cycle? In the forest, on a cornfield. Yeah. Wow. Hey guys, so whew. Yeah, it is taking us way away from the river because the river is going to curve in the same way we're going. Yeah, we're not going to cross the river until Joliet. So 5 hours to go, guys. ETA 5:06. Let's see if we got a sip of water in the Camelback. Yeah, let us do a battery swap. All right. So yeah, a few good sips there. And here we are getting beeped at up on the hill. Unbelievable. Bloody believable. Yeah, I should have told her, go bleep yourself, lady. But that other car was smart. That other car slowed down, basically. All right, guys. So here we're gonna call an hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from I'm not even sure where, but just past that canal along the Illinois River. We'll check, and then I'll put it in the description. Hasta la ciao ciao.